I'm Sean Evans, and you're watching Hot Ones. It's the Showtime questions.
Kyle, you're front
I'm just
center.
the only person. You gotta sit over here if you're gonna do
Yeah,
it.
why aren't you over there anyway?
Oh my God.
I don't understand why you're not.
Go check out his work with them.
It's just gonna be Matt's hand and us in the frame, which is what he'll probably prefer.
We're about to take on the Wings of Death.
Welcome to the show.
Let's
Let me make it spicy.
go, Cole Bennett.
Spicy.
Cheers.
I'm like really bad at spicy food.
Cheers.
There's another human over there.
Cheers.
Like how bad it would be for me, but I think it'll be good.
The coleslaw's in there. Okay. Are we ready?
I'm taking this row.
Okay.
In the center row.
I'll take the front row. The first one. Classic. Oh, that's really good.
So good.
It actually has a good amount of heat for the first one. Like a little bit.
It does.
Like if I knew that there was 9 more wings, like I mean I know there's 9 more wings coming after this. This one doesn't make me nervous, even though it's like on my mild scale.
But we have to clear the wing, right? No one's here not gonna clear
I'm
the
clearing
wing.
wings.
Oh yeah.
I'm listening to Cole Bennett. Whoever Cole Bennett is. Sorry, Cole Bennett.
I like the sweetness too.
From the maple.
Yeah, it's like, but it tastes like caramelized, like sweet. Because it's like, you know, cooked. I mean, I guess it's not cooked on there, but you know what I mean?
It pairs a visual experience with
Clean the bone.
Song, the audio. And
Why don't we have a
for me, I like to
Putting the bones
always
back.
make sure that the video comes out with the song.
Yeah, we'll just take a video of all the bones.
So you remember being attached to the video. And I feel like music videos connect with an artist. And,
That was great. That's a good hot sauce.
This one is so good.
I know, that's why I got the extra bottle of it.
I think it's just
It's such a good Pinot.
It's an experience. And I think it's
Okay.
super
I love
important.
a good Pinot.
It's delicious.
It's on. Number 2.
That one wasn't bad at all.
Tropicante. Tropicante?
This is a huge wing, by the way.
I understand that your journey began by just grabbing a camera and making videos, not necessarily drawing
Whoa, it's like
from any
pineapple-y.
filmmaker. But if you'll what I want to do is bounce a series of quotes off of you from people who are widely considered to be some of the greatest rap music.
That's like so flavorful.
Ever. And I'm just curious your reaction to them and whether or not they've been true to you. Okay.
I put more of that on
So
there.
this first one is
Me too. I would like slather
I
that.
taste a little turmeric.
I found the artist to be right. You know.
There's definitely turmeric.
Absolutely agree with that.
That's what gives it the color for
I'm
sure.
often in the same situation where I think I have a really good idea and I might get a,
Banana, mango, papaya, pineapple, scotch bonnet, apple cider vinegar, lime juice, garlic, spices, and sea salt. Not a little turmeric.
There's definitely
But
turmeric.
banana.
Make these adjustments.
That's
That
bananas.
it actually does benefit the project, and I think letting outside eyes in that
That's
it
really
chicken on
good.
this.
can be very
I'm eating it as fast as I can.
Up next from
We're-
Mark Williams.
Oh no, we're
Oh,
good.
yeah.
We're still on 2. We're still on 2. This is a good pace, actually.
The more I realized I can control things.
Unless you go to 5 drumsticks.
absolutely lighting,
Get out of here, Coco. You don't want none of this smoke.
That's so good.
feeling and texture
That's really good.
you would never think of.
So far, both I would eat. I would slap. This I think I could see putting on more things than this one.
Yeah.
But flavor-wise, amazing. I mean, that would on that like with like fucking waffles and like a chicken wing.
That's one. I would say
Chicken waffles.
everything I do is
Are we supposed to be eating wing 3 already?
No.
I was gonna try out.
I got it.
I'm hoping for the best.
I will keep us on pace.
Okay. Are we supposed to be asking each other interview questions?
We're just winging it. All right, let's go. Number 3. What's this called? Micro saucery pico peppers.
Okay, immediately it is spicier because I licked my finger.
So when Illumination Entertainment approached you to make a trailer for Minions: The Rise of Gru, what
I could immediately feel the increase in spice level.
Universal to sign off on an artist like
That's so personal.
It's quite the cultural.
Man, it was quite the experience and a roller coaster to say the least, but
I would actually dump more of this on
This
this
is
one.
so good. I love this one.
it made more sense for this project.
This is still within the spice level that I'd be like,
Something
I just want just like scoop the sauce into my mouth.
And I told him, I was like, look, I have something to throw at you. It's not what you're expecting. You know, all
It was more vinegar.
You know,
To be chill.
Finger looking good.
I broke my wing in half.
I want to bring in this artist and have him make a song specific to the movie. And I think it'd be a really just big moment for the underground, for the internet, and just for the movie as a whole. I think it's like the perfect storm, and it's unexpected, and I think it just...
No, because my hands are gonna be covered. It was awesome.
Careful around the eyes.
Guys.
Cheers.
2 days later, they reached back and they're like,
So far,
thought about it. And thought,
Delicious, all three.
And,
really good lineup.
Finger looking good.
Cool to see a trend kick off around this song.
This is another one I would put on a lot of food. I would throw that on a lot
Put it
of
on
food.
tamales. That's fun.
I'm really excited.
I would
about
put that on like steak too,
Next
just
one,
like
too.
beef.
All right, number 4. Los Calientes Barbacoa.
This is what I've been. Oh yeah,
This
we gotta
is
put it in.
ginormous.
You got the biggest wing. This is one that has been sold out for a while, actually, on their site. I've been wanting to try this one.
Girl told me it was cold my stomach was.
Ooh,
Mm.
that smoke.
It's like my lunch.
So far, smack.
Mmm. That's fucking good.
Yeah, I'm making all this off.
Definitely.
You're walking me on.
I actually get more spice from this one because this one has that smokiness.
Los Calientes is always the best one.
Look at he's not having trouble with this one. This one's easy. Bitch.
We still don't know who he is.
I'm curious if you can articulate how.
Looks like he's a music performer?
That might be a YouTube star or some bullshit like that.
Is he a rapper?
I knew what I'm into. You know, I think there's been really, really beautiful.
This one's so easy to eat.
Because it just didn't align with,
It's
you know,
picking up spice though. It's like a slow
slow
build.
No, it for sure is, but
I think that there's times I've taken a chance on.
maybe because they're eating them in a row and they're little bitches.
People would argue I shouldn't because I've been
Chloe, you should get out of here.
I think it's just
We're about to
it's a
fart.
personal place, just doing
He's
what I love.
an American business executive, videographer, and musical video director.
Oh, wow.
I'm into it, I do it. If not, then I'm okay.
Kids these days, right? Oh, dang. Where did that fall off there?
So far, you gotta do this on an empty stomach.
It's
All
gotta
right,
be
here we
fun.
go. Number 5.
Szechuan.
Szechuan.
Oh, that's one I've been looking forward to.
Like a cherry cream soda.
It does look like a cherry cream soda.
Mmm. It tastes like a cherry cream soda. With Szechuan gold.
Oh my God.
This one is so good.
I love Szechuan. It's like numbing spice. Oh, it's so good.
Are you on set? I'm curious if maybe you have a lasting memory from that shoot or what it was like to work with that artist.
It's so approachable in this space level. To me.
For your Godzilla video.
It's good so far.
This is so delicious. I love it.
I love Szechuan peppercorn. It's like this
Growing up, being a
really interesting feeling because it's like it numbs your mouth a little bit.
I remember
This could be one of my favorite hot sauces from Hot Ones.
So get to work with them so close.
The flavor is just so unique.
Feeling-
This is a fun lineup though because everyone is very different. You got tropical sweet, you got smoky, you got like a mapley
It was really, really cool.
classic one.
This photo.
That's such a good one.
Yeah.
That on
This is
some
so
noodles,
good.
like really good noodles.
Dre, you can switch with Kylie on or me on this one.
Yeah,
Well, yeah,
switch
because
with
I
him.
eat all the fucking.
You've been getting the fat. I
Switch with
I
him.
did it randomly.
Switch with him.
Okay.
May I have another napkin?
Yeah, I didn't do the shrooms, but
We're gonna run out of napkins soon.
There's more over by the.
Really cool.
Sorry.
too.
Oh yeah, there's more.
I'm sweating.
So they want me to switch because I'm about to have my third fucking drumstick of
Yeah,
this
you've been
size.
complaining about getting more meat.
I can't keep up with the meat, but I can keep up with the spice.
Okay, I will say, even though the spice level's been manageable, my tongue is starting to burn in a way that's noticeable.
Oh yeah, it's still there for
This one
sure.
finally from the set of your video for Justin Bieber's Honest.
Szechuan gold is amazing. I'm obsessed.
And
You're
Oh.
obsessed.
the AC.
I'm obsessed one.
Oh, this is one that was a lot of
Hold
turmeric.
it.
It's not yet,
Hold it.
but it's this one's next.
How the whole like I feel funny.
Yeah.
Video came
Dre is
out,
going.
and
She's ahead of
Oh,
schedule.
you're ahead of schedule.
to shoot that while we wait for AC to be fixed and we get everything ready.
I'm trying to get the pain
I will say, even though the spice has been so manageable, I'm starting to feel it a little bit. Because it's like compacting.
Into lemonade, maybe.
There we are.
Well, we've eaten a lot of hot one sauce, but we've never doused them in chicken wings before.
And
Alright.
done them so much
Lineup.
Okay.
It's time for the Scotch bonnet, turmeric, ginger root, Honduran hard liquor, chili, lengua de fuego.
Oh, that's so fucking good.
Good compliment from you.
I will say this is officially when I would call them hot. Okay,
Oh, you didn't taste the pepper right away, for sure.
that's why you made that sound at the beginning of it.
That's why you went, ooh.
Ooh, yeah. Damn, I've done the bomb before, but doing it after this way, it kind of fucked me up.
The DJ Khaled?
Is that,
Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
we
Cosmic
have a little,
Disco.
little
It's not even that.
experience, but
It's not even that.
I want to point that out.
But the hinges.
last week Matt and I ate a hot sauce, actually from the
So what appears that
restaurant that provided the chicken wings that made my lips feel like they were stung by a bee.
Eventually I'll be
No meat gang.
in tune with things. I'm going to be an old dude who people aren't going to look to.
Oh, that's spicy.
Does that kind of perspective?
Oh, yeah.
Is that what you're
Yeah.
really terrified about?
We're hitting
the
it
future,
now.
Or is it actually kind of comforting?
I didn't think it would take me that long. I thought it would take me longer, but I'm officially starting to get
Yo,
fucked
this
out.
one's,
We're officially cleared wings,
I think that
clearing our wing.
I'm gonna clear every wing. I don't give a fuck if I pass out.
I didn't go any lighter on the bomb, so.
Matt, you gotta talk to the camera.
I plan to graduate.
No, I do not.
I'm getting better. New passion.
I'm sweating and my nose is running.
Pacemaker within that. And I'll
I'm
always-
starting to have to like breathe through it a little bit.
My eyes are starting to water.
I also have to understand that there's going to be.
My eyes are watering.
It's getting
I
real.
got chicken in my
And,
teeth.
you know, I want to inspire those generous and give them the tools to.
Yeah,
be
how
able
was
to do
that?
what I do.
It's like you have like a drop of sweat like this.
And,
Down your
Might be a
like
I'm feeling just
I
fine.
need another napkin. Ooh, this one got built up.
It slapped me
I'll
actually.
take one of the nicer ones. Alright, it's time.
Whew.
Cosmic Disco.
Cosmic Disco
Matt got the two largest ones too in a
is
row.
the best one on this lineup of hot ones.
Oh, fuck.
I'm
I'm still feeling alive.
yeah.
Cheers!
I didn't complain about
Still going back.
the bomb when I tried it, but doing these in a row is a different experience.
Let's go.
So one of my ulterior motives in booking this
Oh,
interview
that's
is
good
to
though.
ensure that I get a tour of Lyrical Lemonade
Ooh.
HQ next time I'm home in Chicago. What's the holiest of holy grails?
Oh, but it
That
fucking
tastes like
sucks.
hot peppers.
So the massage room is a room that I've
I like this one.
that is like a place that anyone in the office can escape to and relax with.
Oh, but it comes up though.
Look around.
No.
I'm gonna get indigestion.
This is a problem.
No one's throwing up on my show.
Oh, I'm good.
Brings joy and
This one's easier for me for some reason.
some of my favorite things in there in that room would be
Clean.
Clean bone game.
Again.
and stuff.
Oh, it's burning now. Oh, it's not burning.
I keep my own package.
Damn, I watched them and I'm like,
Okay.
they're a little bitch.
That they release them.
But doing them in a row,
I think we're doing them faster than they are.
I know.
we are definitely.
Yeah, they have all this time to edit in between.
What's the
I'm starting to suffer.
We have no water either.
Just wine.
Basketball court
Just
at Lyrical
wine.
Lemonade HQ.
Oh man. You can imagine what
My eyes are starting to tear.
first Maxo cream looks like. That's my favorite moment.
Okay, I got the biggest one for the bomb. I think Matt did that on purpose.
Did not.
Ah, my tongue burns.
Ooh.
Matt, you gave yourself the smallest for the bomb.
I might have to pause.
The smallest and most denses.
I might have to pause. I'm tearing up.
You don't get to pause.
No, we'll slow down for a minute.
We can slow down because this is faster than it.
That one's hot.
I heard this last one really bad.
Fuck it, I'll slow down after this one.
We are losing.
Slow down after this one. After this one. After this one.
They're making us pause.
After
I'm
this
ready.
one. Go, let's go. After
We're
this
not
one.
quitting, guys. We're not quitting.
I'm
We're
not-
doing it faster than
Cole, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is the bomb behind
Okay.
Sandy.
I got this biggest one, and this is supposed to suck the most.
No, I'm just
This is a struggle.
I'm just taking a small bite out of it.
I'm crying.
He's just taking a small bite.
That's all it takes.
We are not taking a small bite.
Look at the difference in the sauce potatoes.
Not that small, like.
I didn't mean for it to be a very.
This is way better than the original bomb though.
You know what?
Yeah.
I'm going for everybody.
Whoa.
Yes, you too.
I'm going with you though.
Oh, he's gonna finish the wing. We can't have Colt Bennett showing us up. Oh wait, you only took 2 bites, so.
I'm gonna do it. I gotta do it.
Yeah, you got it. We're in it.
I'm just having trouble chewing all the chicken.
I know. This might have been a mistake, but you know what? We're here, you know?
Almost put my way.
Okay.
So there's a
I'm
video
cleaning
on
up bone.
nextpreps.com.
Ah!
For highlights. He's a running back for the Plato High Reapers. What would you say is the crowning achievement of your Friday Night Lights career? Was it beating Sandwich High Indians?
I didn't really feel a little
I'm
bit.
leaking like a
It
faucet.
took so long to eat my wings.
I'm leaking like a faucet. Oh boy.
Alright.
Yeah,
That's starting
Okay.
to feel like a beast on my lips.
Yeah, go ahead.
I feel like the previous one was hotter.
Be careful, you know? Sometimes when people drink too much milk.
This one is way more manageable than the original.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah, baby.
It's not that bad, guys.
It doesn't cut like knives.
In the superhero movie,
Like the original The
I've
Bomb.
had worse.
memories of the last
Yeah, you've had The Bomb.
downtown.
Not the
Yeah.
Bomb
The
Evolution.
mouth is on actual fire.
They took over downtown Plano. Like fake.
It's just it's a succession of them.
The windows.
It's a succession of them. It's really fucking me up.
Just passing hall, so all my friends and I would.
I don't know if I'm ready for the next two.
Yeah, I'm like,
hit that.
I'm getting my ass kicked.
Like, I'm crying.
Matt, you gotta show the camera
And,
again.
big moment. I remember that.
How you doing?
Can't really tell. But it's happening.
I love it.
Alright.
It's a shared pain that we're going through.
Yeah. I think the hardest part about it is eating the next wing.
Alright, next one.
You need garlic, bitch.
Bomb.
This one's good.
We got it. We got it.
Oh, it's good. But it was hit my spice level. The thing is, you have no way of like recouping from the last spice.
I'm sorry, I'm behind.
Can you drop that
All it does is taste spicy to me right now.
at Diddy's house that you paint the picture for me in my brain?
It just tastes like spice.
Did you FaceTime me? One night.
Mostly I'm a slow eater, so that's why it's hard for me.
I'm getting really full too now.
The spice is no big deal.
Waiting for that moment, you know, did he co-sign? And he's like, when are you in LA next? And I was like, I'm actually in LA right now, but I go back to Chicago tomorrow.
Clean bow gang.
And he's like, look, man, I don't want to put puppy pressure on you, but why don't you
Kumbaya.
do dinner? And we ate.
Well, if we could taste this one,
I can't even taste it after the.
it would be good.
I can't even taste it after the other ones. I'm sure it's
Because
delicious.
they did try it and it was pretty tasty. But I can't taste shit.
I'm just so full.
All I taste is spice, and I'm full.
I'm crying like a baby.
Yeah.
I've never power eaten
Alright, let's bring that over here.
chicken wing.
Do we put a little extra or are we good?
So yeah,
I guess we
You don't
gotta-
have to if you don't want to.
I guess we
The
did.
spice is fine. I'm actually not bothered out by the house spice.
Alright, let's fuck it. Let's fucking roll.
Oh!
That is your choice. You will not speak for me. Great, do you want the big one or the little one?
The little one.
I put some hot sauce on there already, so.
And it like works,
Yeah.
it works its way up your face. Like right now, it's in my
I dabbed it decently, actually. That's a lot of hot sauce.
That's a dab.
I'm glad I didn't bring the 6 million. Because after this, we would die.
We also have a
Dab. See it? There's a dab.
reaper.
That's a dab.
The last, yeah,
Last dab.
it belched
Cheers.
to the window.
Yeah. We're still here. We're still. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good.
Oh, he put his shit down.
Yeah.
Actually, it doesn't feel as painful. Painful as a little bit. It creeps up at.
Cheers, Cole.
Cheers.
It's actually manageable after the other one.
Yeah. not bad. It's not great,
I know.
but it tastes good. I like the flavor of almost all of them, really.
Actually, the bomb actually.
It was better than the first one.
You wanted to take another bite.
I just can't eat any more chicken.
You're like, you got a match. You know, I feel. Like I can't do that.
Well, we're done. Lucky for you.
I'm full.
But
Immediately after the bite.
nothing was the spiciest I've ever had.
It settles in. Hopefully, it's not an
Clean
storm
bone
situation,
gang.
you know, where it comes back and builds.
Clean bone gang.
There's a nice long
You
lead.
have foreshadowing that.
I'm gonna have to breathe through this though because my mouth's on fire.
We've reached the end of our
Clean bone gang.
The close thing
Just so
down.
you guys believe me,
Squeeze whatever energy
I've ate all the skin off,
brain soaks
but I just can't eat
We can call this
through to the bone.
I gotta wash my hands. I gotta get out of here.
the
Gotta get out of here and wash my hands.
Mount Rushmore of Chicago.
But spice wise,
The foremost iconic.
I'm just fine.
It's good. I mean, I can handle all of them, but in succession, it tested my limits for sure.
Yeah.
there's some spice involved, but
If you don't like it, that's those.
no big deal.
Excuse me.
Oh, not like video Chance the Rapper called Family.
No, it's a big deal.
Before,
It's a big deal.
you don't really like it.
All right, we'll set it in stone. Cole Bennett's Mount
I'm
Rushmore
good.
of Chicago rap music videos, and look at you, walked in, not a hot sauce guy. You said nothing horrible.
I'm good.
You are taking extra bites to the
I
bomb,
think
drenching
the
the
thing
wall.
that hurts the most is my knees.
Now there's nothing left to do but
Yeah.
roll the red carpet for you. This camera, this camera, this camera.
From
Oh,
healing.
shit. It's time to roll out the red carpet, my friend.
Very much so.
Reaper time.
Happy, just
Kylie, tell us what's going on in your life.
working on
I'm here and I'm queer and I'm about to get the party on.
3 times.
Matt, tell me what's going on in your life.
So I've been framing frames for a long time. I'm gonna do
Get
it.
in the camera, you silly.
And I'm gonna do it for a lot longer. And this experience has taught me
So cool, Travis is here, man.
Oh,
that
what was your favorite song?
hot sauce is hot.
Basically, hot sauce is hot,
Yeah, Rico Rico's good, man.
but framing frames is harder.
Thank you so much.
And we're professional framers, but it's fucking hard. But we can handle the hot wings of death.
Checking in with
You do it Matt's sweating it more than any of us.
There are a couple people suffering around me, so
Do you want some coleslaw?
Yeah, I want them close.
yeah. So basically, they're suffering.
No, I'm okay. I'm actually okay.
I'm suffering.
I have my wine, but I'm used to pain.
It's the perfect sweet and spicy companion.
I'm fine.
It's
Oh,
not a competition.
but it is though.
It's always a competition with me.
1, 2, 3. All 3 sauces, they can be yours. Visit heatness.com. Heatness.com.
I thought I sent the address to Nick and I was mad at me.
The classic trio.
But, oh well.
Woo!
Ooh. I gotta say, all of them tasted good. But by